Am I audible, everyone? Please text. Hello, everyone. How are you all? Good morning again. Good morning, everyone. पवन सर, सर जी आप ऑनलाइन हैं अभी?
हाँ बोलिए सर।
सर जी एक बार कॉल उठाइए ना मेरा, या कॉल कीजिए ना एक बार।
ठीक है सर।
जी सर।
We are unable to. The number you have dialed is currently busy.
सर जी, सर जी वो रौनक का कॉल आ रहा है बार बार, तो मतलब he wants to see the presentation of the class right now for 5 minutes. So he would like to enter into the class for 5 minutes. उसको अलाउ कर दो ना सर, उसका ईमेल आईडी है caronakagarwal.com करके ऐसे कुछ है। हाँ 5 मिनट के लिए कर दो, उसके बाद अपने आप आई थिंक ही माइट लीव। ठीक है सर, ओके सर, राइट। Hello everyone, shall we start? Am I audible? Please reply. Okay. Okay. If anyone is facing any issues relating to the classes, please text on the WhatsApp group. We will allow you to come in the class. Okay? We'll just wait for 2 minutes more. Let the students come and then we'll start. Okay? I hope everyone is safe and sound. Okay. Audible. Okay. Chalo. So let us start with the topic today, where we are left in the previous topic. So up to now in the strategic management, what we have learned is the meaning of the word called business. Do you all agree? We have done the meaning of the word called business, right? And along with the meaning of the word called business, who has given us the definition of the word called business? Tell me the name of the person. Peter E. Drucker. What is the name of the person? The name of the person is what? Peter E. Drucker. Okay, what are the three views he has told about? The business is having 3 point of views: work view, process view, and entity view. Clear everybody? Work view, process view, and entity view. Then after that we did the 5 objectives of the business in a sequential manner. Everyone please tell me, what are the 5 objectives? Survival, stability, growth, efficiency, and what? In the last word, what is the main financial yardstick of every company? Profitability, right? We did the Google case study also, we did the Usain Bolt case study also, and I made you read how to write the survival, stability, growth, efficiency, and profit in the examination. Clear everyone up to this point, right? And after that I told you that businesses can be of 2 types. One are profit maximization businesses and one are what? Wealth maximization businesses. Reliance is an example of which business? Reliance Group is an example of which business model? Profit maximization. And what about Tata Group of companies? Wealth maximization. Correct everyone? And then I told you yesterday, do you remember in the previous class we have understood Porter's 5 forces of competitive analysis? Now what is the name of that fellow? What is the name of that fellow? Michael E. Porter. What is the name of that person? The name of the person is Michael E. Porter, and he has given us the 5 forces. And what these 5 forces basically helps us? These 5 forces basically helps us to decide whether to enter into the business or not to enter into the business. Correct, everyone? CC everyone? CC everyone? Right? Okay. Now, what are the 5 threats? What are the 5 threats we understood that day? We understood the threat of bargaining power of supplier, threat of bargaining power of buyer, threat of rivals, threat of new entrants, and the threat of what? Substitutes. Everyone is clear or not? Everyone is clear or not? So, how do we use this model? Anybody can give me the answer? How do we use this model? Please give me the answer. How do we use this model? Anybody? Do we need all of them to be favorable, or do we need the collective strength to be favorable? We need to check the majority. And out of all the 5, if the majority are coming favorable, should we enter into the business or we should not? Yes, we should enter into the business. And if the majority is coming unfavorable, then what shall we do? If the majority is coming unfavorable, what shall we do? We shall not enter into the business. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Right? So we have to understand, first of all, we have to identify the forces. Then we have to identify their pressure. Are they too weak or too strong? And finally, if the collective strength is favorable, we will enter. If the collective strength is unfavorable, we will not enter into the business. I hope everyone is crystal clear with all the topics we have discussed in detail. Right, so far? And after that, we started with the topic called what? After that, we started with the topic called what? Environment. We started with the topic called what? Environment. Right? Now, in the environment, what we understood? Can a business work in isolation? First of all, tell me, business works in isolation or surrounded by the environment? Surrounded by the environment. Now tell me, what are the 2 types of environment within which the business is surrounded? Micro and macro. One is known as micro environment, one is known as macro environment. With whom we deal on daily basis? With whom we deal on daily basis? Micro. And what is completely uncontrollable? Macro. So my question number 1, can business work in isolation? My question number 1, can business work in isolation? No, business cannot work in isolation. Yesterday, I shared this file with all of you. I hope all of you received this file. Written notes. Monica didn't find, Saikan didn't find, Sumesh. You are from PGC, right? You all are from PGC, right? So I have shared it with the Pawan sir. Make sure that you collect it from him. Okay? By today evening, I'll make sure that everyone will get an access to this file. Okay. So can the business run in isolation or cannot run in isolation? Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, fine, sir. Okay. Can the business run in isolation or cannot run in isolation? Cannot run in isolation. Second point. Is the business surrounded by the environment? Yes or no? Yes. How many types of environment? 2. One is micro, one is what? Macro. Whether the business should actively participate with the environment or passively? Actively. What if we do not participate actively? Whether the business will continue or business will fade away? Business will be faded away. We will shut down our business. So tell me one thing, due to this coronavirus, due to this pandemic situation of corona, is it an environment or not? The coronavirus is a which environment? Everyone, please reply quickly. Coronavirus is a which environment? Macro environment. Can we control it? No. Did we actively change our face-to-face classes into the online virtual classes or not? Yes. So that is why we have to actively concentrate with our business environment. Next point. Whether we take the inputs from the environment and whether we sell the outputs also to the environment or not. Now tell me, what inputs do we need to run a business? Do we need human resource? Do we need physical resource? And do we need financial resources or not? Human resource are employees. Physical resource are plant and machinery. And financial resource is money. Who gives us all that? Who gives us all that? Environment. Yes. Do we process them or not? Do we process them or not? And after processing, are they converted into output or not? Yes or no? So after they being converted into output, we sell it to whom? We are doing the revision quickly. We sell it to whom? Customer. Customer is inside or outside? Outside. Does the customer give you the money or not? Does the customer give you the money or not? With that money again we buy what? Inputs. So is this a connection between the business and the environment or not? So can I say that if this is business, its inputs are also coming from environment and its output is also going to what? Environment. Clear everyone? Everyone is clear with this understanding? Yes? Okay, so let us start with the today's topic. What is the today's topic name? What is the today's topic name? Problems of environment. What is the name of the today's topic? Problems of the environment. Now everyone listen to this carefully. What do you mean by problems of the environment? Now there are three problems of the environment. How many problems, guys? Three problems. The problem number one, environment is diverse in nature. Environment is uncertain in nature. And environment is complex in nature. Tell me, are you able to see the three problems? Are you able to see the three problems? So environment is diverse in nature. Environment is uncertain in nature. Environment is complex in nature. Now let me give you a very simple idea. Tell me one thing. Do we have only one type of environment affecting our business or so many types of environment affecting our business? Everyone, please reply. So many. Whether the customer affects our business, you all have to write the word yes, yes, yes. Supplier, yes. Competitor, yes. Market, yes. Technology, yes. Likes and dislikes of the social, yes. Cultural likes and dislikes, yes. Ecosystem, yes. So tell me one thing, is the business getting affected with one direction or so many directions? Is business getting affected with so many directions or not? Customer is also affecting us, technology is affecting us. So tell me one thing, can I say that that is a problem of an environment, that environment is so much diverse in nature? Do you all agree? Right, CC, if you understood the meaning of the word called diversity? Did you understand the meaning of the word called diversity? So we never come to know from which direction the environment may come and hit you. Am I correct or not? We never come to know from which direction and what environment may come and may hit you. Can we make the list of all the environments which are affecting our business? Answer is no. Can we make the list of all the environments which is affecting our business? Answer is no, because we will never come to know which environment is going to hit from which side. Am I correct or not? Do you all agree? Do you all agree? Yes. So what is the first biggest problem of the environment is, it is what in nature? It is what in nature? Diverse in nature. It is what in nature? Diverse in nature. What is the second problem do we have? What is the second problem do we have? Uncertain. What is the second problem do we have? Uncertain. Now tell me one thing. Up to March month, were we certain about our classes or not? Were we certain about our face-to-face classes or not? But once this coronavirus came, whether the coronavirus was a certain thing or uncertain thing, schools and colleges have been shut down. Businesses have been shut down. Crores and crores of people lost their job. Economy is completely down. No one is happy. Now tell me, were we already aware of that or we were unaware of that? Now tell me, okay, did you understand my example or not? Now, 10 years back, whether anybody was having an idea that classes are going to be completely online, whether anybody was having an idea 10 years back? No, 10 years back, we were not having an idea. And do you have an idea that after 10 years, what is going to happen? Do you have an idea after 10 years, what kind of classes are going to happen? No, you don't have an idea, because is the environment certain or uncertain? Tell me everyone, is the environment certain or uncertain? Uncertain. The speed at which the communication and technology is changing today, can we certain that this is going to happen tomorrow? No. Technology is changing day by day. Communication is changing day by day. Are you getting the point? Environment is changing day by day. We don't know by 2021 what is going to happen. Whether coronavirus has given us the reality of our life or not. That was completely uncertain. That was completely what? Uncertain. So what is the second problem of the environment? What is the second problem of the environment? Everyone write in the chat box. What is the second problem? Uncertainty. What is the first problem? What is the first problem? Diversity. So diversity, uncertainty. Clear everyone up to this point? No doubt? No doubt? Yes. Okay. What is the third problem? What is the third problem? What is the third problem? Complexity. What is the third problem? Complexity. Now everyone will give me the answer whatever I'll ask you. Okay? Tell me one thing. Is it easy to understand the environment or it is very difficult to understand the environment? Is it easy to understand the environment or very difficult to understand the environment? Very difficult to understand the environment. By the time we understand that, yes, I understood my environment, another new environment emerges and affects your business. Tell me, am I correct or not? Tell me, am I correct or not? By the time we say to ourselves that, okay, this environment is, I understood this, I understood that. Within few moments later, new other environment comes or not? Yes or no? I understood my customer. But tell me one thing, customer's taste can be understood or it cannot be understood? Cannot be. Will it keep on changing on the basis of time or not? Will it keep on changing on basis of time or not? Now tell me, did you know that 2 months back कि gold prices will go to 60,000 rupees per 10 gram? Before corona outbreak, gold prices were 35,000. During this corona outbreak, gold prices went to 60,000. Now tell me one thing, is gold really getting high day by day or not? Is it easy to understand why it is going up? Is it easy to understand why it is going up? Answer is no. It is not easy to understand. Can anybody give me the reason? Tell me, why gold prices are going up? Anybody give me the reason? Why gold prices are going up? Inflation is not the reason. Inflation means rise in prices. That's what I'm asking you. Why there is a rise in prices, Akhil? Demand. श्रावण मासम. No, ऐसा नहीं होता. श्रावण मासम comes every year. Why especially this year gold price has increased that much? Should I give you one idea? Should I give you one idea behind that so that you can understand properly? Now tell me, what is happening to the economy? Is the economy going up or economy going down? What is happening to the economy? Is the economy going up or economy going down? Yeah, economy is going down. Okay, whether the stock markets are going up or stock markets are going down. Stock markets are going up or down? Down. But whether everyone wants to earn profit or not? Whether everyone wants to earn the profit or not? So those people who were earning the profits from the stock market, now are they earning or not earning? Not earning from the stock market. Do they need second option or not? Do they need second option or not? And who and what they did, they started buying a gold. Now suppose if your father is having 5 crore rupees at home, stock market is not giving the return. Is your father happy with the 5 crore as it is, or he would like to grow his money? He would like to grow his money. When your father would like to grow his money, will he buy gold or not? Right or not? Is your father creating the demand in the market? Likewise, so many crores and crores of people are shifting from stock market to gold or not? That's why the gold prices are going what? That's why the gold prices are going what? Up. Clear everybody? That's why the gold prices are going what? Up. Clear everybody? Right or not? And you know what is the second reason of buying the gold? What is the second reason of prices of gold going up? What is the second price of? Yeah, highest importer of gold. China is buying 40% of the world's gold. In the last 4 months, China has bought 40% of the world's gold. Now, when the only China is having 40% of the world's gold, now tell me, supply will be less or supply will be higher? Less. What will happen to the demand? What will happen to the demand? Will increase. What will happen to the price? Increase. Now tell me, did you understand before I told you all this concept? Did you understand before I told you all this concept? No, you are not aware of the facts. That is why. This is what do you mean by? This is what do you mean by complexity? This is what do you mean by complexity? What happened, Akhil? What happened, Akhil? Any problem? Yeah, even oil prices. Yeah, very well. You have given the thumbs down. That's why I asked you, Akhil. Yeah, even the same thing is happening to the oil prices also, Somesh. Yes, you are absolutely correct. So, did we understood the 3 practical problems of the environment or not? Tell me, everyone. What are the 3 practical problems of the environment? It is so much diverse in nature, बहुत फैला हुआ है. It is so much of spread in nature. It is so much uncertain. Is it predictable or unpredictable? Predictable or unpredictable? Unpredictable. Therefore, it is uncertain. Now tell me, is it easy to understand or difficult to understand? Difficult. So that is what do you mean by 3 problems of the environment? That is what do you mean by 3 problems of the environment? Now, should I unmute somebody? Should I unmute somebody? Should I unmute somebody? If somebody wants to speak up in the class? Everyone is crystal clear up to the topic so far? Everyone is crystal clear up to the topic so far? Clear everybody? Great. Great. Okay. So, let us read once. Environment is diverse in nature. Environment is so much diverse in nature. Now, everyone just read along with me. environment is so much diverse in nature that even if we make the list of all the environmental influences, then also it is very difficult to understand which environment will affect in which way. Do you all agree with that? Do you all agree with the diversity? Yes. What is the second one? Certainty or uncertainty? Uncertainty. The speed at which the technology and communication is changing is unpredictable. It means it is difficult to understand the future impact of the environment. Is it uncertain or not? Did you guys understand the uncertainty also? Yes. And what is the last one I told you? What is the last one I told you? Complexity. Now tell me, it contains various factors and influences that makes it more complex. It is very difficult to understand the environment in its totality. Do you all agree with that? Is it easy to understand the environment or difficult? Very difficult to understand the environment. Everyone is crystal clear up to this part? Everyone is crystal clear up to this part? Yes or no? So what we understood? We understood influences of the environment, and we also understood what? Problems of the environment. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. We understood the problems of the environment. Is it correct or not? We understood the problems of the environment. Shall we keep our mouth shut? Is the human being made to keep his mouth shut? Or we should fight with the environment? We should fight with the environment. Don't you think that we should try to tackle? Don't you think that we should try to tackle? No, it's a very simple thing, sir. You might have seen that due to this coronavirus, so many people lost their business and jobs. That's why people started doing the suicides and all. They started taking their lives or not? Now tell me, is it the correct decision or very poor decision to take your life? Very poor decision to take your life. Don't you think that? Don't you think that we should? Don't you think that we should fight with our problems? Right or not? Am I fighting with the problems? Are you fighting with the problems? Did I change from face-to-face classes to online classes or not? If I will not change, will I get any income? No. So that is why we should all know how to tackle our environment. Correct or not? Correct or not? Now listen. To tackle our environment, there are 3 steps. How many steps? To tackle our environment, there are 3 steps. Step number 1. Take the initial view of the environment. What is the step number 1? Take the initial view of the environment. What do you mean by initial view of the environment? Check which environment is affecting you from which side. Are you getting the point or not? Take the initial view of the environment. Check which environment is affecting you from which side. What is the step number 2? Tell me. What is the step number 2? Audit the environment. What is the step number 2? Audit the environment. Everyone right? What is the step number 2? Audit the environment. What do you mean by audit? Examine your environment. What is the step number 3? Take immediate action. What is the step number 3? Take which action? Immediate action. So tell me, did you understand the 3 steps or not? Did you understand the 3 steps or not? So tell me guys, what are the 3 steps? The step number 1. Step number 1. Take the initial view of the environment. Step number 1 is take the initial view of the environment. The step number 2. Audit the environment. What is the step number 2? Audit the environment. Step number 3. Take immediate action. Take which action? Immediate action. Now, tell me, what is the step number 1? I'm going to write. What is the step number 1? Everyone. Step number 1. Initial view. What is the step number 2? Audit the environment. And what is the step number 3? Action. What is the step number 3? Action. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? This is how we fight with the environment problems. Shall we read now? Shall we read now? Now see, check which environment influences is affecting the business. Check which environment influences is affecting the business. How strong is the impact? Is it too weak or too strong? Correct or not? Do we have to check that whether the environment is affecting my business too weak or too strong? So let me ask you one thing. Right now, what is the biggest environment which is affecting my business? I'm into teaching profession. Tell me my environment. What is the biggest environment which is affecting my business? Macro. Am I correct or not? Is it corona affecting my business or not? Now tell me, is it affecting my business too weak or too strong? Is it affecting my business too strong or not? So it means I have to do the initial view of my environment. I have to do the which view? Initial view of my environment. Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Now, do I have to audit the corona or not? Do I have to audit the corona or not? Now I'll go deeper into it. What do you mean by that? Businesses must examine its environment so that it can understand whether it is going to affect PPD. I have to examine the coronavirus, my environment, ki is the corona affecting my PPD or not? Sir, what do you mean by triple PD? Is it affecting my performance? Is it affecting my profitability? Is it affecting my production? Is it affecting my development? Now tell me, did the corona affected me in all these four different manners or not? Whether corona affected my performance? Yes. Now, do I have a fear of getting the corona? Do I take consciousness or not? That's why I'm sitting at home. Is it affecting our performance, everyone's performance? Yes. Is it affecting my profitability? Is it affecting my profitability? Yes. Is it affecting my production? Is it affecting my production? Yes. Is it affecting my development? Tell me. Is it affecting my development? Yes. So is the environment affecting me from all these four angles or not? Yes or not? This is called auditing the environment. This is called what? Auditing the environment. So tell me, what is the first step we did? What is the first step we did? First step, everyone write, initial view. In the initial view, what we did? In the initial view, what we did? We understood which environment is affecting you. Either it is too strong or too weak. Correct or not? Now, what is the step number two? What is the step number two? Auditing. What did we audit? Is it affecting my PPPD or not? What is PPPD? What is triple PD? Performance, profitability, production, and what? Development. Correct or not? Now, what is the third step? Tell me everyone, what is the third step? We need to take action. What is the third step? We need to take action. Tell me one thing. Should we take action proactively or reactively? Should we take action proactively or reactively? Proactively. Anybody, those who don't know the meaning of proactive and reactive, let me give you one example. Tell me one thing. Whether India at the time of coronavirus was proactive or reactive? India. India was very much proactive, guys. India was very much proactive. Which was the most affected country? US. Which was the most affected country? US. Now, in the US, now India also cases are going up. But as compared to the population of India with the US, comparison is still less or not? Comparison is still less or not? So, India was already proactive. We did the lockdown when the other countries were suffering. We did the lockdown when the other countries were suffering. Did we get the lockdown since March month or not? So, our Prime Minister reacted very proactively. But what about the US? US took the coronavirus seriously or lightly? Seriously. When the US woke up, after it was hit with lakhs and lakhs of cases or not? So US government was what? Proactive or reactive? Proactive or reactive? Reactive. Correct or not? So tell me one thing. We should fight with the environment proactively or reactively? Proactively. Now read business firms. Now read everyone along with me. Business firms shall try to be more. Business firms shall try to be more proactive rather than what? Reactive. Business firms shall try to become more proactive rather than what? Reactive. Are you getting the point or not? Are you getting the point or not? This is how we face the environment. This is how we face the environment. Clear everybody? Clear everybody? Right? So this is how we face the environment. So what are the three topics we are done with? What are the three topics of the environment we are done with? The three topics what we are done with is what? Influences of the environment. Second one, problems of the environment. And third one, how to tackle the environment. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. What is the next topic? What is the next topic? What is the next topic? Features of environment. What is the next topic? Features of the environment. Now, are you able to see the four words? What is the first one? Complex. First one is complex. Second one, dynamic. What is the second one? Dynamic. What is the third one? Multi-faces. What is the third one? Multi-faces. And what is the fourth one? Far-reaching impact. What is the fourth one? Far-reaching impact. Now, I need not tell you anything about the complexity. I need not tell you anything about the complexity. Tell me one thing. Is it easy to understand the environment or very difficult to understand the environment? Everyone, please reply. Very difficult. Environment is a simple thing or complex thing? Complex thing. So that is what the first feature of the environment. Can we understand the environment in totality? Give me the answer of this question. Can we understand the environment in totality? Answer is no. We can only understand the environment in parts but not in totality. That makes environment a complex in nature or not? That makes environment what in nature? Complex in nature. Now tell me one thing. Is environment certain or uncertain? Uncertain. Does it remain always same or it keeps on changing? So tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. What is our weather? What is our weather? Weather remains same throughout the year or it keeps on changing? It keeps on changing. Same is the case with the environment. Now, do you think that coronavirus will remain throughout the life? No. Coronavirus will go. Something else will come or not? Now, first in 1918, plague came. Then influenza came. Then bird flu came. Then swine flu came. Are you getting the point? Now what came? Corona came. In future, some other disease will also come. Am I correct or not? Am I correct? So that means environment is what in nature? That means environment is what in nature? Dynamic in nature. Now read. Environment always keeps on changing. Do you all agree? Environment always keeps on changing. Do you all agree? Yes. Business shall always track. Business shall always keep the track of such thing so as to participate actively with the environment. As a businessman, should you keep the track of all those environments or not which are affecting your business? So that you can proactively participate with the environment. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So what are the two features of the environment we are done with? Everyone, please reply. What are the two features of the environment we are done with? Sir, it is complex and it is what in nature? Dynamic. Now, I will ask you one question. Try to give me the answer. Should I ask you one question? I will ask you one question. Try to give me the answer. Now, tell me one thing, guys. Tell me one thing. Anybody knows what do you mean by anti-dumping duty? Anybody knows what do you mean by anti-dumping duty? Yes. What is that, Nikita? Tell me. What is anti-dumping duty? Now, should I give you one example of this? Now see, whenever the China, yeah, well, very well, very well. I understood, Nikita. Now suppose there is one country called China. Is China a largest producer or largest consumer? I need answer. Is China a largest producer or largest consumer? Producer. What about India? What about India? India is a consumer. Whether China dumps all its material in India or not. Whether China dumps all the goods in India or not. So what the Indian government did, now tell me one thing, whether India also has to develop or not. India has to develop or not. So what the Indian government, our Prime Minister did that, he increased the anti-dumping duty by 180%. What he did? He increased the anti-dumping duty by how much percentage? 180%. It means if the China is selling 100 rupees item in India, China has to pay 180% of the duty to sell the goods in India. Am I correct or not? If the cost of the good is 100%, if the cost of the good is 100 rupees, what is the cost of import to India? What is the cost of import to India now? 100 plus 180. Is it 280 or not? Now tell me, is it 280 rupees cost or not? Yes or no? Now tell me one thing, by increasing the anti-dumping duty, whether Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to avoid the Chinese products or not. By increasing the anti-dumping duty, whether Narendra Modi is trying to avoid the Chinese products or not. Correct? Everyone agrees with me? Everyone agrees with me? Correct? Now, what is indirectly Narendra Modi is promoting? China manufacturing or India manufacturing? China manufacturing or made in India? Make in India. Now listen to this carefully. Increase in anti-dumping duty is a threat for which country? Is an opportunity for which country? Threat for which country? China. And it is opportunity for which country? India. So tell me whether the same environment is having two faces or not. It is threat for somebody and it is opportunity for somebody. Right, CC, if you all understood what I'm trying to tell. Right, CC, if you all understood what I'm trying to tell. Correct or not? So any change in the environment is having one face or multi faces? Is it a one face or multi faces? Multi faces. If it is a threat to somebody, it is an opportunity to somebody. Now tell me one thing, coronavirus is a threat to online businesses or physical businesses? Coronavirus is a threat to physical businesses, but it is an opportunity for which businesses? Online businesses. Am I correct or not? So are you saying the two faces? Are you seeing the two faces of environment or not? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct, everybody. So what is the third feature of environment? It is having which faces? Multi faces. Clear, everyone? Right, CC, if you understood. Now, what is the next one? What is the last topic? What is the last feature? Far-reaching impact. What is the last feature? Far-reaching impact. Now tell me one thing. Whether Corona affected our economy in a shorter run or longer run? Do you know that? Do you know that India was enjoying the position in the March 2020? The same position will take 5 years for India to come back to the same position. How many years it will take? What position India was enjoying on March 2020? Now it will take another 5 years for India to see that position again. Now tell me one thing. Did Corona give us a short-term impact or long-term impact on the economy? Long-term. So remember one thing. Every environment mostly gives a which impact? Long-term. So when the environment changes or influences, always impact the business in a which run? Always impacts the business in a which run? Longer run. Clear everybody? Clear everybody? So everyone, give me the answer. Write in the chat box. What are the 4 features of environment we are done with? First one, complex. Second one, dynamic. Third one, multifaceted. Fourth one, far-reaching impact. Everyone is CC? Everyone is CC? Yes or no? I hope I'm meeting your expectations in making you learn the subject. Are you learning pretty well? Right? Okay, great. So tell me one thing. Now you are confused between the problems of environment and features of environment, or you are clear? What are the 3 problems of environment? Complexity, diversity, uncertainty. And what are the 4 features of environment? What are the 4 features of environment? Complexity, dynamic, multifaces, long-term impact. Correct or not? Correct or not? So don't get ever confused between these 2 particular cases. Clear everybody? Are we done with the meaning of environment or not? So tell me, do you know all these 4 topics now? Do you know all these 4 topics now? Yes or no? Yes, sir. We know all these topics. Yes? Okay, great. Shall we move? Shall we move to the next topic? Yes, sir. Okay. What is the next topic? What is the next topic you are able to see? Components of environment and types of environment. What is the name of the topic? Components and types. The name of the topic is components and types of the environment. Now listen to this very carefully. Very, very, very carefully. Whenever this word will come in the examination, what is the word? Tell me. What is the word? Components. Whenever the word called components will come in the examination, then there are 2 things you have to write in the examination. Components means internal environment and external environment. What do you mean by components? What do you mean by components? Internal environment and external environment. But whenever you will see this word, in the examination, what is this word? What is this word? Types. Then in that case, you will write the answer micro environment and macro environment. What is the answer? Micro and macro. So tell me one thing. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? I need an answer quickly. What do you mean by this? Internal, external. What do you mean by this? Micro, macro. Everyone CC? Everyone CC? Now the question arises, sir, why you are telling us this? Because this is the most confusing topic where you lose your marks. Instead of components, you write types, and instead of types, you write what? Components. Clear, everyone? Don't get ever confused. Whenever the word called components of environment will come, there are two things should come to your mind: internal, external. Whenever the types of environment will come, two things should come to your mind: micro, macro. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo. What is the first thing we have to learn now? What is the first thing we have to learn now? Components. The first thing what we have to learn is components. Are you able to see the topic components? Are you able to see the topic called components? Yes. Acha, tell me one thing. What do you mean by components? What are the two environments? Internal and external. Anybody can give me the full form of SWOT? Anybody can give me the full form of SWOT? What is the full form of SWOT? Strength, okay. Weaknesses, okay. Opportunities, okay. And threats. Now tell me one thing. You give me answer one by one. Everyone ready? Should I ask you some questions? Everyone ready? Strength is inside or outside? Strength is internal or external? Internal. Opportunity is what? Opportunity. External. Weaknesses are what? Internal. Threats are what? External. So which two are internal environments? Strengths and weaknesses are which environment? Internal environment. And which two are external environment? Opportunities and threats. Opportunities and threats. Now I will ask you a very simple question and you are going to give me the answer. Correct, everybody? I'll ask you a very simple question. You are going to give me the answer. I can study continuously for 20 hours in a day is my what? Is my strength. Correct or not? I cannot wake up early in the morning is my what? Weaknesses. But if I'll study 20 hours in a day, I can become a chartered accountant. What is that? Opportunity. But there are so many other chartered accountants in this world who are practicing along with me. That is what? Threat. Are you getting the point? Everyone is crystal clear? Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying? Acha, tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Your inherent capabilities, your inherent capacity or inherent capability is known as what? Strength. And your inherent limitations are known as your weaknesses. Favorable conditions on the market are known as what? Opportunities. And unfavorable conditions of the market are known as threats. It means our topic is over. Shall we read now? Shall we read now? Yes. So what are the two components? Tell me, everyone, what are the two components? Internal environment and external. Internal and external. In the internal, there are two environments. In the internal, there are two environments. What are the two? In the internal, there are two: strengths and weaknesses. Your inherent capacity is known as what? Inherent capacity is known as what? Strength. Inherent limitation is known as what? Weaknesses. So strength refers to what? Inherent capacity. And weaknesses refers to what? Inherent limitation. Crystal clear up to this point? Everyone CC? Up to this point? Acha, tell me one thing. What are the strengths of Apple company? Are you able to see the strengths of Apple company? Whether the Apple company is very much good in innovation or not. Whether the Apple company is very much good in research and development or not. Whether Apple company is very much good in technology or not. Whether the Apple company is very much good in price or not. These are known as the strengths of which company? Apple company. But tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. Suppose I'm a company. Now suppose I'm a company. I only produce one product. I'm a company. I only produce one product. Let me take an example of Apple. If the Apple produces only mobile phones, if the Apple produces only mobile phone, then tell me, is it the Apple's strength or is it the Apple's weakness? Only mobile phones. Suppose the Apple is only in mobile phones. Is it the strength of the Apple or weakness of the Apple? Weakness of the Apple. Too much dependence upon the single product is a strength or weakness? Weakness. Now tell me, is Apple only manufacturing mobiles? Is Apple only manufacturing mobiles? No, iPads, iMac, iTunes, iTV, iWatch, all these are the products of Apple or not? If one product will fail, at least Apple company will not shut down, correct or not? So too much dependence upon the single product is your strength or weakness? Weakness. So this is what the example. Too much dependence upon a single product is your weakness. But if you have different types of products, if you have a different types of products, then it is your strength, right? Now tell me, what is the second environment? What is the second environment? External. In the external, there are two environments. What are those? In the external, there are two environments, opportunities and threats. Favorable conditions of the market are known as what? So tell me one thing, anti-dumping duty is an opportunity for which manufacturers? Is it favorable for Indian manufacturers or not? And it is unfavorable for whom? China manufacturers. Now tell me whether Reliance got all the contracts of the last 3 months from the China or not? Yes or no? Reliance got so many. Are you looking at the Reliance news nowadays? Yes, Reliance has got so many contracts which were supposed to be given to China. Yes, all those contracts from China are shifting to what? India. They are shifting to India, to the Reliance India Limited. That's why little bit of stock market is increasing nowadays. Are you understanding the connection? Yeah, China, this Reliance is a no debt company. Correct or not? So tell me, is it favorable due to Corona? Corona is becoming favorable for which market? Everyone is looking for investing in which country? India. And Corona is threat for which country? Corona is a threat for which country? China. Now, can I say that China only created the Corona and now it is inside the Corona? Correct or not? Yes. So, somebody has very rightly said that if you try to do something wrong for the others, the first wrong thing happens to you only. Correct or not? किसी के लिए कुआं खोद के बैठे तो you are the first one who is going to fall in that कुआं. I hope all of you agree. So that brings an end to our another topic. What is the name of the topic? What is the name of the topic? Components of environment. What is the name of the topic? Components of environment. Now, what is the next topic do we have? What is the next topic do we have? Types of environment. So whenever the word called types of environment comes, what are the two types of environment comes in types of environment? Micro and macro. Micro and macro. Clear or not? The two types of environment are known as micro and macro. Clear everybody? Right? Now remember one thing. Whenever the word called micro comes to your mind, whenever the word called micro comes to your mind, this should come to your mind. What is the word I used? Cosmic. What is the word I used? Cosmic. And whenever the macro I'm using the word, whenever I'm using the word called macro, then this word should come to your mind. What is the word I used? Pestle. What is the word I used? Pestle. Now tell me, micro is what? Micro is what? Cosmic. Micro is what? Cosmic. Always remember, micro in the cosmic, what are the last three words? Mic. So micro, cosmic. Okay? That is how you correlate. Understood everyone? And what is macro? Macro stands for pestle. So don't ever confuse between the cosmic and pestle. I hope now everyone is clear. So tell me, what is cosmic? What is cosmic? Micro. What is pestle? Now should I tell you? Should I tell you what do you mean by cosmic? Should I tell you what do you mean by cosmic? Now C stands for customer. C stands for what? Customer. O stands for organization. Tell me one thing. C stands for what? Everyone right? Vishnu, what do you mean by C? C stands for customer. Okay. And O stands for what? Organization. S stands for supplier. S stands for what? Supplier. M stands for market. What is M stands for? Market. I stands for I stands for intermediaries. What do you mean by intermediaries? Agents. Intermediary stands for agents. And what is the last word in the cosmic? What is the last letter in the cosmic? C stands for competition. C stands for what? Competition. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now what is the full form of cosmic? Customer, organization, suppliers, market, intermediaries, and competition. Do we deal with all of them on daily basis or not? Do we deal with all of them on the daily basis or not? So that is why it is a which environment? It is a which environment? Micro environment. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Now tell me, in the macro, what is the word I told you? Did I tell you this word or not? Did I tell you this word or not? Now the P stands for political environment. P stands for which environment? Political environment. Yes, very well said, Somesh. P stands for political environment. E stands for ecosystem. E stands for what? Ecosystem. Okay. S stands for socio-cultural environment. S stands for what? Socio-cultural environment. T stands for technological environment. T stands for which one? Technological environment. L stands for Legal environment. L stands for which environment? Legal environment. And E stands for economical environment. E stands for economy environment. Correct, everyone? So, everyone will tell me the full form of PESEL. Everyone will tell me the full form of PESEL. What is P? I need answer from everyone. What is P? What is E? Ecosystem. What is S? Socio-cultural. What is T? Technology. What is L? Legal. And what is last E? Economy. Am I correct or not? Now tell me one thing. Do we deal with them on daily basis or non-daily? Do they affect our business or not? Yes. Can we control them? No. That's why it is a which environment? Macro environment. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So this is what is in front of you. Are you able to see the full form of cosmic and PESEL? Are you able to see the full form of cosmic and PESEL? Right, everyone? Now see, what is micro environment? Can I say that this is the micro environment? The first layer which surrounds the business is known as which environment? Micro environment. Clear, everybody? Clear, everybody? Say yes. Guys. Current has gone. Current has gone. Now, within 2 minutes, the internet connection also will go. Okay? So, we'll do one thing. We'll start it tomorrow. We'll start this topic tomorrow. Anyways, if it will be started now, it will be disturbing the classes. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? So, tomorrow we'll start with what? Types of environment or components of environment? Quickly. Types of environment. We'll do the micro and macro tomorrow. Okay? We'll do the micro and macro tomorrow, and maybe in the next 2-3 classes, our chapter number 1 will be over. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo. Bye, everyone. Take care. See you guys tomorrow for the auditing at 7 o'clock and strategic management at 9 o'clock. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.